Alright guys, what's up? There's been an update for the 6.60 custom firmware, and it's called the 6.60ME 1.2. So, to be sure here, I'm running on custom firmware 6.60ME, and that's the game plan right there. So basically what I'm just going to do is I'm going to show you how to install this properly. So you're going to download this file, right? If I can move this right here, the release 6.60ME 1.2, and inside you're going to see, after you extract the files, either right click and say extract all, or open it up with WinRAR or other type of extraction program. You're going to see the release 6.60ME. You will see the LEDA PRX and a README text, an update folder, and a translate folder, and all this fun stuff down here. So basically what we're going to be looking at is the update folder. And you will see the eBoot. So what we're going to do is go to USB mode and enter USB. Boom, boom, boom. Forgot. Gotta stop that for a second. Now let's connect to USB. Thank you very much. Open up your PSP removable drive, and what you're going to do first is take the LEDA PRX. Now if you're running on 6.60 already, then all you have to do is go in your SC plugins folder and take this LEDA and drag and drop that into there and move and replace that like so. If you don't and you're just freshly updating to this, you can go to my other video, which I'll put a little notation on the screen here that'll lead you to the other video, and follow that installation. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the LEDA, go into root of your memory stick. If you haven't done this with any SE plugins whatsoever, right click and make a new folder. There we go. And create a SE plugins folder. And SE plugins is spelled all in lowercase letters, and open that up. What you're going to do is you're going to create a game text, I believe it is. Yes, it is. Create the game text. So right click and say new and text document right here, and you're going to call it game all in lowercase letters, and inside there you're going to want to make sure that you have written ms0 :se plugins /leda.prx space 1. I will have that written in the description below, and exit and save that, and then just drag and drop the LEDA PRX right here over into the memory stick. Once you've done that, we can go back here and go to the PSP folder, and then go to the regular game folder. And now what you're going to do is just take the update folder right here and drag and drop that into the PSP game folder. So let that copy over. Now if this is also the first time installing 6.60 custom firmware, you don't have to go and install 6.60ME1. You can do it right here. All you have to do is take the official firmware 660.pbp and place it in there. I will have the link for that for download in this as well if this is your first time in the information below. Also a link to the other video showing how to install this properly. So with that done, what we're going to do now is simply this. We're all done here, and what we're going to do is exit USB mode here, and I'm going to pop up Remote Joy over here like so. Plug the USB and put that back in, or not. I just have to reset my device real quick so you can see what I'm doing on the screen here. Resetting, 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 resetting. Boom, 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 done. There we go. Now, here we are. Let me make that a little bit bigger for you guys. Alright, so what you're going to do now is simply As you can see, if I go and check my firmware, bam, boom, down, system information, 6.60 ME. So what I'm going to do is go over to the game section here and go to the memory stick, and you will see the minimum edition for PSP version 6.60 update. So you're going to start that up. One quick second. Remote Joy is being gay today. So update version text loading. Blah 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 blah. Updated recovery menu and added the 166x83 CPU clock, which is good for audio transcoding. So press X to start. So you're going to hit X to start. It's going to flash a whole bunch of fun shit. Remote Joy isn't going to work in this because it's in the flash. And then it's simply going to reboot in 6 seconds. 2, 1. Ugh, I hate this shit. Oh god. No wonder it's not working. Close. Fuck you. Start that up again. There we are. Alright, so now that we're looking at the XMB, and I have successfully updated the 660. If we go here, here's the VSH menu. I can't show you the recovery menu because there's nothing for Remote Joy to show with Flash. You do have the plugins manager still, which is fairly nice. There's all my plugins, blah. And then you can reset the VSH. And if you go to system settings, I'm not sure if it shows a name change or not. It does. 6.60 ME 1.2 is your custom firmware you're running on. I will have the link for download with this, along with the links in notations in the video, posting you to click on that and open a new tab and show you the other video for 6.60 custom firmware. I will have a review on this custom firmware coming up. And other than that, thank you guys, and I will see you later. Rate, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your questions in my moderator for your questions answered on Tuesday, which is in 2 days. So it'll be like episode 6. So yeah, take it easy. I will talk to y'all later, and keep the views coming. Bye.